Hello guys, we are on 5.1. Okay, the question says without using a calculator, simplify the following expression to one trigonometric ratio. We are given the sine 140 degrees multiplying the side into 360 degrees minus x close bracket, all of them over cos 50 degrees multiplying the time into negative x close bracket. Okay, that's for 6 marks. Okay, we will try to simplify that. Okay, we are having it here. If you can check, we are having the sine 140 degrees here in the numerator. In the denominator, we're having cos 50 degrees there. Okay, using the quadrant, uh, we either can change this 140 to 50, or we can change this 50 to 140. Okay, let's try to change this 140 degrees to 50 using a quadrant and a 50. There's a special angle in this case. Okay, we might try 180 degrees subtracting 50 to see if we get 140. Okay, let's try it. Here's our calculator. We might try 180 degrees subtracting 50. It doesn't give us 140. Okay, let's try 90 degrees plus 50. It gives us 40. It gives us 40. Okay, then it means that this we can change it to sine into 90 degrees plus 50 degrees. Okay, 90 is a quadrant, 50 is a special angle in this case. Okay, yes, then here we ask ourselves here 360 degrees minus which quadrant is that one? We know very well that is the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, the sign positive or negative, we know that sign is negative. Then this reduces to negative sine x. Okay, all of them over the cos 50 degrees there. Okay, we know that the negative angle falls in the fourth quadrant. Okay, in the fourth quadrant is tan positive or negative. We know that in the fourth quadrant tan should be negative. Then this reduces to negative tan x like that. Okay, then we continue. We know that the moment we come across 90 degrees, whatever we are having here is going to change. Okay, since here we are having the sign should change to cos. Okay, then we ask ourselves 90 degrees plus 50, which quadrant does that one? We know 90 plus should fall in the second quadrant. Okay, in the second quadrant the sign positive or negative, we all know that in the second quadrant sign is positive. Then this reduces to cos 50 degrees, positive cos 50 degrees. Okay, then here we are still having the negative sine x there. Okay, and the bottom cos 50 degrees. Okay, then with this one, we know tan is a what is an identity. We can replace it by sine x over the cos x there. Okay, then here we are having cos 50 degrees dividing what? Cos 50 degrees. Then you can say this one divides that one. Okay, I'm doing this because here I'm having what? Multiplication. Everything is multiplying in the numerator, everything is multiplying the denominator. You should be careful of that algebra. Okay, then here again I can say negative 1 dividing negative 1 gives me positive. Okay, then I can be left with sine x over the sine x, the cos x like that. Okay, algebraically you should not make mistakes here. Okay, for us to avoid making mistakes, let's write it like this. We're going to have sine, okay, is this one in the numerator dividing what? The sine x over the cos x there. Okay, let's make this over 1. Okay, remember everything is divided by 1 there. Then we are having sine x over 1. We want to change the division there to multiplication. Then we should interchange there. We should swap the fraction. Okay, then this one should multiply that one. Okay, or we can write away say this one divides that one. Okay, you can say this one divides that one. Then we remain with cos only. Okay, yes, we are done. We are done. If you have any question, you can post it there. Bye.